Icinginks Edible Printer Art Package. After we've done extensive research into the edible printers that are currently available on the market, we set out to find the one that would qualify as the best edible printer for cakes. The one that matches all of our criteria was the Icinginks Edible Printer Art Package. This is more of a complete package rather than just a printer, and the package comes with a Canon-branded edible printer. In addition to the printer itself, you also get a range of accessories. The accessories include wafer sheets, icing sheets, fine tip edible markers, and a couple of edible ink cartridges, which can all be refilled once you have used up all the ink. The printer is able to print with edible ink in vibrant and vivid colors, so there's no need to worry about photos coming out dull. The package also includes a CD where you can find the appropriate driver for the printer, as well as bundled software that you can use to edit your photos and make them perfect for the cake you'll be placing them on.